All right, DFW Build Remodel, Louisville, Texas, 3,600 square foot house that we rebuilt. It's at 98% due to fire damage. Everything is brand new. We're in the master bathroom. Master bedroom. Unfortunately, this is where the fire started. They had a fireplace right here. Second floor landing. All new stair railing. Three bedrooms. Second floor. Hall bathroom. Go down to the first floor. New fireplace. Just got our countertops on yesterday. All granite. Laundry room, a little dark, no power yet. Bathroom, first floor. Smart mirrors.